video. Right now we're going to talk about the transmission control module. First thing you want to check, if you got any really weird transmission things going on, make sure that control module is dry at the connectors. So we're going to pull 6 bolts out of the seat. They are 6mm hex key, 2 here with washers, 2 more up front with washers. Don't lose those washers. Don't forget to disconnect the seat belt alarm, and we'll stick that out of the way. And pull the seat back. If you don't have room to take the seat back like this, it's a 17mm nut to take the seat belt off of the seat. And then you can take it out the door and be gone with it. Next step, 8mm screws or bolt heads right here. They are pretty hard to turn, so you'll need a 8mm on the bottom, or a 5/16 wrench is the same as 8mm. So you can get a speed wrench on there or a battery tool. To pull your transmission control module out, TCM. Right away we notice this is a little bit oily here. Oh yeah, and it's real oily here on the bottom, so sure enough we've got a problem. Pop that out. Yep, see that oil? Oh yeah, look at that oil. Get in here for a closer look. Whoa, not that close, come on. Yeah, oil, 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 and more oil. That's all transmission fluid that has wicked up these wires and gotten into the connector, gotten into the control module here, and is causing problems this big. Now, since I don't want to cause new problems by fixing old problems, I'm going to protect things a little bit here. There we go. Now I can get crazy with the solvent here and not worry about stuff. Oh. Brake cleaner, not carb cleaner. Brake cleaner, much healthier. Okay, maybe not really, but carb cleaner is MEK, nasty stuff for the environment, for your lungs. Brake cleaner probably isn't any better, I just don't know about it.
If you like our content here at Florida Van Man, you can support us by liking, commenting, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell so that you get a notification every time we post a new video. In the description box of all of our videos, we also have links to our favorite products, as well as links so that you can get your very own Florida Van Man merch. Your support keeps our vans rolling.
Okay, that's had time to dry. Yep, it looks dry. So we'll connect it back up the only way it goes. Get this cardboard mess out of here. And see if it works.